Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ballerino Lololo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and we're going to draw the straw. We'll start with a small curve. Then from the ends, let's angle it up and over to the left side. Now from the left line, let's angle it over and down. And then from the other line, we're going to curve it up and another angle on top. And let's close off the end with a curve. Now inside the straw at the bend, let's draw some diagonal lines. And that's it for the straw. Now let's draw the lid to the cup. Let's start on the left and let's draw an oval shape down and bring it around on the other side. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve across and continue it on the right side. Now top to the corners and let's draw a line down and a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's add some striped lines. And that's it for the lid. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the body. Underneath both sides, let's draw an angled line down and in. And then close off the bottom with the curve across. Now let's hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside, let's add another circle towards the inside. And then another one inside on the top right. And then color the pupils in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's add another curve. Now top underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across and another one dipping down underneath. Now top in and let's draw a bump up at the bottom and color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and let's draw a curve across the center of the body here. Then underneath in the center, let's draw a bump up and angle it down and in from the ends. Now on both sides, let's add another bump at the top. And let's angle them both down and in. And then let's do one more on each side. And that's it for the cup. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a bump out and one going up underneath. Now from the top, let's step in and let's draw another curve going outwards. Then at the end, let's curve it back in. Now top back down to the bottom and let's draw a larger curve out and up. Now on top, let's draw a wavy line up, like this. Now top back down and we're going to draw another wavy line up on both sides. And then add one more curve inside the forearms. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. From the inside, we're going to draw a small bump up. Then let's draw a curve on top and back in. And then a small bump next to it. Now for the rest of the fingers, let's draw a curve up, over to the thumb, and back around. And then bring it down to close off the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and let's draw the tutu. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a small curve. And let's continue it going out and up with a wavy line. And let's continue that wavy line all the way back in to the body on both sides. Now top in the center and let's draw a line down. And then let's work our way out on both sides with angled lines like this. And that's it for the tutu. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw two curves down and curve it out at the bottom. And then let's hop out and let's draw two curves going inwards. Now underneath, let's draw another set of curves on the inside here. And two on the outside. And close off the bottom with a curve across. Now for the ballet shoes, let's draw a set of lines down underneath each leg. And a curve across. Now underneath, let's curve it down and bring it back up for the ballet shoes. And inside, let's add a curve at the bottom. Now inside the left shoe, let's draw two angles and two going the opposite way in the other shoe. And we're going to do the same thing, bringing it behind to form an X shape. And that's it for Ballerino Lololo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!